guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews. I just did my BoxyCharm unboxing, so make sure you check out that video as well. And this is my Ipsy video. This bag is super cute. It's like a little travel stamp type thing, and then the back is just plain orange and says Ipsy on it, but I thought it was cute. Okay, so the products this month. First of all, I have this cute little Tarte powder. What is this actually called? Smooth Operator, an Amazonian clay finishing powder. So this is one of those super finely milled, ultra HD, you know, won't give you flashback, supposedly kind of a powders. I have used this several times and it doesn't dry out my skin, which is great. And it does kind of, you know, give you that filtered look and it helps set your makeup. I like these kind of powders. My only issue is that it kind of gets everywhere. You know, it like poofs up into the sky and it just like, there's no not making a mess with these things. Anyway, I like that. This is from Styles Sepia. This is Touch in Soul French Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. This doesn't even have a name on it, but I believe that it's Jardin. Watch, the first time I swatched this, I was like, wait, what color is this? Because on the end, it's green, okay? It's like a dark green. But you swatch it and you're like, oh, that's more like a brown, right? Here, let's zoom you in. Okay, so you're like, whoa, that's brown. But then when you smudge it, you can really see the green shimmer in there. Can you see it on camera? I hope. And it smudges really easily. In fact, what I did with it today is I put it on my eyelids and then I just kind of smudged it all out up into the crease, and then I put this other eyeshadow on top of it, but it smudges out so easily. It's really creamy, which makes it great for using as a base for eyeshadow, especially if you want to darken it up. It's a cool color, that brown with the green shimmer. As an eyeliner, it's fine. I have it in my waterline as well, and it goes on nice and creamy. I sharpened mine so it's a little funky looking, but it does, you know, sharpen okay, and it's really nice. I don't know, I like this. It's kind of funky, but kind of cool. I really dig the color. You know, it's a nice alternative to your basic black or basic brown because of that green shimmer in there, which I think is funsies. So anyway, speaking of this eyeshadow, this is from Elizabeth Mott. I love Elizabeth Mott. This is Pop Goes the Shadow, and I know I've had other Pop Goes the Shadow colors. This one is super beautiful. The shade is Mermaid Teal, you know, obviously, right? This is what I have all over my eyes, and I like went crazy with it. I was just like shoving it everywhere. It's just a really pretty shimmery mermaid teal, right? I love it. I love this kind of color. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I put it all over the place. But because I put that eyeliner underneath, it's a lot darker on my lid. So, which I thought, you know, I liked. I was digging that. But like on a brighter kind of a day, I might go with, you know, just this alone. And it does wear really nicely. It blends really nicely. Blah, blah, blah. Elizabeth Mott is great. Okay, anyway, moving on. This is from TONYMOLY. I like TONYMOLY products. They're inexpensive. They're almost always super cutesy patootsy. And this I was honestly afraid to use because my skin has been really dry lately, and this is a sebum control black color clay mask, and I was like, it's gonna dry out my skin. So I just used it like on my jawline, which tends to have issues and is definitely not dry, and it wasn't drying at all, like at all. I liked it. I thought it was nice. It has kind of a light scent to it, which I don't know, it probably just smells like generic bathroom products or something, but for some reason it kept reminding me of like vacation. I don't know. It's nice to be reminded of vacation when you've got a mask on your face. So that was lovely. I liked it. This is from ADESSE New York, and it's just a nail polish. This one is, it's supposed to have like, I feel like I'm super zoomed in. Hang on. There we go. Hi. I'm at a normal distance now. Okay, anyway, I do feel like this is supposed to be like, you know, gel effect. That's what it's called, where it's supposed to be super shiny and last really long or something. I don't know. Anyway, what was funny about this is I had just painted my toenails with this, which I think I got from Gen Beauty, from Koki, and this is in the shade Heavenly. And I had this on my toes and I was like, whoa, this looks really similar. And then I put this on over it and I was like, that's the exact same color. This actually looks more purple in the bottle, but I'm telling you, on my toes, I could not tell the difference. This I don't like. It was thick and goopy and not pretty at all. This went on really nicely, and I was glad that I had this to cover it because I like the color. But it was just like my toes did not look good and it was funky looking. But when I put this on, I was like, oh, now it's all smooth and shiny and looks like how I wanted my toenail polish to look. Anyway, the color is pretty. I like the formula. I liked this. I've had other ADESSE nail polishes and I don't remember being impressed with them. So I was happy to get one that I do definitely like. So that's it, that's my Ipsy. I actually really liked everything in this bag. I have to tell you the truth, I wasn't excited about these products, but now that I have them, I think they're great. And I think that once I stop being crabby, I will be excited about them. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Definitely make sure and watch the BoxyCharm video if you haven't seen that. I got some interesting products that I also have on my face, like that highlight. Hello. Alright, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, I neglected to put on lipstick and I'm paying for it. My foundation is like caking up on my gross lips. Nasty 'em. Ah.